Windows 11 Emoji add fun and expression to our digital communications. To enable emoji, press Win plus period keys to open the emoji panel here. You'll find a wide range of emoticons and symbols. Browse through categories or use the search bar to find the emoji you want, such as images, K-emoji, and symbols. Click to insert into your text field or document. You can also access to the Windows 11 emoji with touch keyboard. Right-click on the blank area of taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings. And set the option next to Touch Keyboard to Always to enable the on-screen keyboard. Click on the Touch Keyboard System tray icon on the taskbar to open the Touch Keyboard. Integrate emoji seamlessly into chats, emails, and documents across various Windows 11 applications. By following these steps, you can easily enable and effectively use emoji on Windows 11, adding a touch of creativity to your everyday digital interactions. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.